Your Netflix subscription costs $15 a month, but what if streaming actually costs $30 because Netflix had to pay for the electricity and carbon emissions from all those data centers? That hidden $15 represents what economists call an externality, costs that companies don't pay, but society does. When a factory dumps chemicals in a river, they save money on proper disposal, but everyone downstream pays through polluted water and health problems. The company keeps the profits while we all share the costs. Climate change is the ultimate example. Every gallon of gas puts carbon in the atmosphere, but oil companies don't pay when hurricanes flood your house or wildfires threaten your community. Markets fail at environmental protection because pollution costs are invisible to decision makers. Government steps in with two tools that actually work. First, carbon taxes. Make companies pay for pollution and clean energy becomes profitable. Second, cap and trade systems. The government limits total pollution and gives companies permits. Companies that clean up early can sell extra permits to others, making pollution reduction profitable. California used this to cut greenhouse gases while growing their economy. Environmental problems connect directly to income inequality. Low-income neighborhoods get stuck with toxic waste dumps and polluting factories because wealthy communities have political power to say not in my backyard. When disasters hit, poor areas fled first. This brings us to the broader challenge of income inequality, which exploded during COVID through a K-shaped recovery. If you worked from home, you probably did fine. If you worked at restaurants or retail, you got fired. Technology makes this worse. AI eliminates middle-skill jobs while creating high-tech positions requiring expensive education. The economy splits between those who own the robots and those replaced by them. Extreme inequality hurts economic growth. When most people lack spending money, businesses sell less and hire fewer workers, creating a downward spiral. We measure inequality using the Gini coefficient. 0 means perfect equality, 1 means one person has everything. The US scores about 0.49 before taxes, terrible compared to other rich countries. Solutions exist. Progressive taxation means higher earners pay higher rates, funding education and infrastructure that help everyone succeed. Here's the exciting part. We can fight inequality and environmental problems simultaneously. Renewable energy now employs more people than coal, with over 3 million clean energy jobs created since 2020. Solar costs dropped 85% since 2010. The infrastructure law funds green projects, creating hundreds of thousands of middle-class jobs. Your generation chooses what economy we build. You can support policies making polluters pay while creating good, clean energy jobs. The decisions you make as consumers, workers, and citizens determine whether we build an economy working for everyone, not just wealthy people who can afford to live away from pollution. Understanding these economic concepts gives you power to make informed choices about the world you're inheriting.